In the following question, which answer figure will complete the series? This was the first question. Which is the answer? Very, very clear, no? Which has to be the answer? Give me the answer for the first one. It is actually D, because this looks smaller. So you take the answer as D, but again C also looks like the same. Yeah, C and D look the same. It has to be D. Yes, generally it should be different. Yeah, it looks more or less the same. But again, as some of you say, so this looks a little more smaller. This looks wider. So we can take this to be the answer. Yes, D is small. Yes. So D is the answer that we will go with. Okay.
In each of the following questions, which answer figure will complete the pattern in the question figure? Again, a very easy question. So which is the answer? See, very clearly, if you look at the squares, no, there is a cross like this in each of the square. So this option is not going to be correct. This option is also not going to be correct. You are left with these two options. Similarly, whatever will come here in this end, there has to be a square and there has to be a line like this. Compare these two options. This cannot come here, so this has to be your correct answer. That is option 3. Just by looking itself, you can eliminate options and get the answer. So this is going to be the figure that's going to come here. This will be your final figure. Option 3. 3 is your correct answer. This is on figure completion. Which answer figure will complete the pattern in the question figure? Very, very easy one, no? See, so here what should come according to the pattern? Basically, this should complete the square. Look at all the options. There is only one option which can satisfy. That is option 3. Directly take that as the answer. Otherwise also, this has to be, there has to be 2 lines here. Something like this here. It is option 3. Very, very easy. Correct answer is option